This will be a very quick video on how to get to industry surveys in Standard & Poor's Net Advantage. When I tried to show this in class the other day, for some reason it wasn't opening. Excuse me. So let me go ahead and come down the library's homepage and go to databases. And I'm going to click on business. And now I'm going to come down to the S's to Standard & Poor's Net Advantage. Now on the top you see there's all these different choices where you can search. I'm going to click on industry surveys. And the two entrepreneur type shops we were talking about in class were coffee shops and then the food trucks. So basically there's several different industries that can apply here. I'm not using the NAICS codes. So I am just going to come over here and you see where it says headline. And let's see, we're going to scroll down. First we're going to look for food and beverage global. So I'm coming down here. Here's food and beverages. And these are addressing the global industry, not just the United States. This is a pretty big report. It's got 41 pages. Let me open it a little bit wider. And as you scroll down here, you can see that the table of contents, industry snapshot, financial metrics, key industry drivers, industry trends, Porter 5 forces, how the industry operates, how to analyze a company in this industry, a glossary, industry references, and comparative company analysis. I want you to learn to work through these and see what you can find that you can use for your report. Let me go ahead and scroll down through this and come down to the company analysis. You'll see a big long list of different companies that fall in this category, and it'll have statistics with it. So here you see agricultural products, packaged foods and meats, and then you've got all this information for different years that you can use. This is the food and beverage industry. Here's the different companies again. So it'll be worth it to look at these different, this information. There's also disclosure at the end. Okay, so let me close that and let's go back to now to food and staples. So coming down to food and staples retailing. Over and over in this industry survey, I saw that people are wanting to eat their food away from home. So you can read in here about that and the percentages of people that are wanting that. And that, of course, would affect the food trucks and also coffee shops or any type of industry dealing with food, restaurants, for example. So this one here is another report, a different industry, and you can read through this and see how this affects the shop that you're about to try to open on your industry, your business plan. It's very long. Now let me go ahead and close this one. And let's go down to hotel, leisure, quick service restaurants are mentioned in this one, which I think would also apply to maybe the food trucks also. Let's go down to hotel and leisure. Here we go. And don't forget to check the dates on these. This one's 40 pages. It was, excuse me, published in April. And I wanted to show you the bottom of page 10. Let's see. Restaurants shift to digital ordering and third-party delivery. This is interesting. Let's deployment of digital ordering by QSRs forgot what that stands for, but it's somewhere in there. It tells you what that stands for. Via customized websites, dedicated mobile apps. We were talking about technology for the PEST, political, economic, social, and technological advances or maybe drawbacks. Let's see, we expect this trend to be partially driven by continued mobile adoption by the leading QSR chains. So you can read through these reports and get information that would address the different parts of the PEST. Don't forget to look for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. See here, a primary risk to such outlook. They'll also be talking, like I said, globally. They may have a certain section that deals with the United States. Use the global system. Industry profit share map. This is interesting here. And just learn to go through here and read these reports and glean anything you can possibly get that will help you with your business plan. You can also learn to use these other different ways to search also in Standard & Poor's. All right, thank you.